That good old gas station lighting, undefeated. Undefeated.
What's up, Glockies?
Keep the... Ooh. This shit is hard, bro. Gas station lighting is always undefeated. Don't look at the curved wheels. I'll tell y'all that another day. With the carbon fibers. Shit. Carbon. We do today.
Several days later.
Oh my god, I haven't recorded in so long. It is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. My mom is still cooking. This is probably like a week after I recorded whatever other clips I recorded. Let me turn down this music before I get copyrighted. I am about to go hoop and work out. I guess this will be the intro. The diffuser is on, so I'm gonna show you guys that once we get to the part. It is a carbon fiber overlay, but I like it. It looks amazing. We use some 3M and self taps, and it fits good. So I will see y'all once we get to the part. Get a little hooping session in, quick little workout, and then back to the crib for this Thanksgiving dinner. But I gotta show you guys a diffuser, so yeah. Alright, so we about to get some hoops in, but while I'm up here, let me go ahead and give y'all a quick review on this diffuser. So, got self-tap, boom, like right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but self-tap on each side with some 3M. And the fitment on this joint is, you know, pretty decent. It's better than the poly whatever one that most everyone runs, and this is a carbon overlay. It's not like a real carbon fiber. It don't weigh that much, in my opinion. It's gonna just sit there and get fucking heated up and melted by the exhaust anyway. So this car needs a whole bunch of fucking touch-ups everywhere, but I'm about to get this little nigga some buckets real quick. So why you scratch me on what? You traveled off that board. I didn't. You got it? Yeah. I never moved my finger. That shit. What the fuck? I think I pulled my fucking hamstring, dude. You saw that shit? When it happened?
When you were walking?
Bro, I tried to do, I felt it before that shit even happened. But like as soon as I tried to explode off that one like crossover, bro, I just felt that shit instantly. I couldn't even move no more, bro. This is why I work on cars now and I don't hoop no more, bro. My body can't take it. I'm an old man now. Y'all see the buggers with the left, dude? Yeah, it's a wrap. I pulled that shit. It's done. No more hooping for me. Strictly cars. That's why I couldn't go to the league, you know, vertically challenged. So now, I just work on cars. No more hooping for me. Got 4 fucking buckets and that was it, bro. Fucking hamstring is done. At least we got this though. Ooh, she's sitting pretty. Ooh, she's sitting fucking pretty. Look at that shit. Getting my fog light covers back from paint soon. Then we throwing the carbon fiber lip back on. All the other fucking bumper accessories. Redoing this fucking chrome delete and shit and whatnot. I haven't uploaded in forever. I just have not recorded. I need to get the damn, what's this shit? Fender liner. I need to get a new fender liner as well. And then we're doing our brakes and calipers next. I had the side skirts as well, just haven't put those on. So y'all will see that next. But yeah, this ain't even gonna be that long of a video now. That shit just fried me, bro. No fucking way.
The next day.
Can't even feel or imagine how she feeling right now. And I love my mama, and that's on my mama. If one of you niggas try me, it's going up in this bitch right now.
Alright, filming the outro. Yeah, basically, y'all can find the link. Y'all can find the link to the damn. Alright, basically, y'all can find the link to the diffuser if y'all want to cop it in the description. Use them self taps, get the good fitment. Y'all saw earlier why I mod cars now. I used to hoop. I was never really that good. I always just played for fun. Little brother was trying to big boy me. I was trying to give him another bucket. And I'm pretty sure I just strained my hammy. That junk don't feel good though. I put some shit up on my story asking y'all what to do. Some of y'all was trolling me. I feel like Lil Durk now. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. Hold on, let me mash down real quick. That's what we got on. I'm about to go rob some motherfuckers. That's how we afford these car parts. So I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.